Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Annie Curttright with 𝗧𝗃Lus, and we're here for a tutorial on something that's all very dear to our hearts right now within this quarantine. That is, what is this?
Goo.
Goo! What's another name? Is it slime?
Slime.
Slime. Here, you want to hold that?
Yeah.
So for all you laser eyes out there who have had LASIK, we might be cleaning out some cabinets and finding some old contact lens solution. Don't fear, we've got an option to use that, right? Do you want to make some slime?
Yeah.
All right, so let's talk about what ingredients we need to make slime at home with contact lens solution. Ingredient number 1, baking soda. Ingredient number 2, contact lens solution, but particular, it needs to have boric acid in it. And then a 5-ounce container of glue. Well, I don't know if you guys are as crazy as us, but we always have a supply of slime. Which ones are we gonna do? Slime glue on hand. So, but you could just use white or clear. 5 ounces is kind of the normal size. This one?
Yeah.
What color is that one?
Bubble.
Wello? Okay, let's make that.
Whoa.
All right, so the first thing we need is a 1/4 cup of warm water.
Cup?
A 1/4 cup.
Yeah.
Yep, you want me to go get it?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to sing a song while I get that?
Yeah.
Okay, sing a song. How about robot dance?
Robot dance? Yeah.
So we've got a 1/4 cup of warm water, and then we're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, do you want to stir it? Whoop! Try and keep it in. That's okay. Next, we're gonna add all 5 ounces of glue into our bowl. Not quite yet. How about this one? Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Take the lid off.
Squeeze it?
Sure.
Is that enough?
No, all of it. Ooh.
You squeeze it, please.
Sure. Oh, with a funny sound.
That's it. Sticky.
It is sticky. All right, so next we need to add our warm water solution. Yep. Thank you, mister. You big help. We're gonna mix it and mix it and mix it. All right, so next you're gonna slowly add some of your contact lens solution. You wanna squirt some in? Squirt in, not much. And that's our activating agent. Ugh, it's already getting slimy.
I'm ready.
And you can mix and match your portions of glue to almost to contact lens solution, kind of depending on what consistency you want. We have a general rule in our house for thicker slime and plain in the bathtub only. You want to squirt some more in there?
Yeah.
It's just some tips we might send you home with. Other thing I heard about goo and Play-Doh is if you get it, that's enough. If you get it in clothes, that white vinegar can take it out. So that's food for thought as we're making this slime today. Oh my gosh.
Ready yet?
It's getting there. You want to squirt a little more in there for Mama?
Yeah.
Squeeze. All right. So I wouldn't even say that was not even a tablespoon of contact lens solution. So even if you are still a contact lens wearer and haven't had LASIK, and I know contact lens solution might be kind of one of those items, the must-have right now, it really doesn't take much. Maybe use an old one. Now the clear care and the hydrogen peroxide solutions aren't going to be what you're looking for. Again, you're wanting one with that kind of borax derivative in it.
Ready yet?
I feel like it is getting real close. Ugh, gross.
Let's do it again. Very yummy. Sticky.
Yeah, the sticky one! Is it so much fun?
Yeah.
I hope everybody's doing all right at home, thinking about you. Oh, crikey. Let me give a special shout out to our healthcare colleagues who are in the midst of COVID and working to
You get off of
help
the
save
mom.
lives.
Get off of the mom.
Look for more videos to come. Hang in there, everyone.